When these free radicals are active, it becomes a cause of cancer, brain tumor, of heart disease. Left nostril breathing is one of the powerful ways to activate these negative ions, and that happens when you breathe from the left nostril. What if I told you your own breath could protect you from cancer, heart disease, and even brain damage just by using your left nostril breathing? Sounds crazy? It is not. It is a science, pure science, and yogic wisdom combined. And in today's video, I am going to share with you some secret of natural healing and how this left nostril breathing can do wonder with you. This hidden knowledge which yogis left for us, and now it's a time to use it. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Prashantjyoga. We all heard that human body made of cells, but if you go deeper, you will find atoms. The interesting part is these atoms made of electrons. When atom gains extra electrons, it becomes what we call negative ions. Have you ever wondered that when you go near the lake or in a mountain or near waterfall, you feel fresh, you feel energetic, you feel calm, you feel self-healing? Why it happens? Because these are the places where negative ions are charged. They are in big amount. That's the reason more and more you go to the north or close to nature, negative ions are charged particles. Negative ions are everywhere, so you feel healed. More and more you go to city, you will find that negative ions are less and less. That's why people, those who live in city, are more sick than the people are living in a mountain. These negative ions are not just some chemistry textbook concept. These are active players in your health, healing and protecting you against so many chronic diseases. Faster we know the science, faster we know these yogic kriyas, faster we will heal. So as these negative ions are in charged form near waterfall or high in a mountain, similarly in your body, there's a place where these negative ions are in a big amount. So the place is your left nostril. Your left nostril is a storehouse of these negative ions. Left nostril is not just a breathing channel. Yogic science, it connects with Ida Nadi, the lunar energy. I want to tell you here, the moon energy is responsible for healing. Similarly, the left nostril is a moon energy as well. It is responsible for self-healing. And that is the reason regular pranayam is required. You must start doing regular pranayam, but you need a guidance for that. So we are starting 21 days pranayam sadhana live with me in this upcoming new moon. The link in description, and join this 21 days sadhana for self-healing. Learn the yogic wisdom, learn these yogic concept, yogic techniques to heal your body. This course is a pranic purification where you are learning not only the theory but the practical knowledge which will help you to heal your body faster. Now come back to the topic. As I said, your left nostril is a storehouse of negative ions. So when you breathe from this left nostril constantly, so the concentrations of these negative ions are increased. As a result, it will recharge your internal system. And more these negative ions are charged, it will help you to neutralize free radicals. Understand here, free radicals are present in your body. These are unstable reactive molecules that damages your cells, damages DNA. And when these free radicals are active, overactive, it becomes a cause of cancer, it becomes a cause of brain tumor, it becomes a cause of heart disease. So as long as these free radicals will be neutralized, your body will be in balanced state. But once it reactive again, this will start killing the DNA. That is the reason these negative ions neutralizes these free radicals, and that happens when you breathe from the left nostril. I will be teaching you how to breathe for more effective way. I want to here tell you one thing also. When these negative ions are more increased in your body, it also stop your aging. So those who are in early age, looks like old, including low energy, low immunity, weak digestion, negative ions will bring your age back. You will start feeling refreshed if you will work the way I will be teaching you today with one technique. Left nostril breathing is one of the powerful way to recharge, activate these negative ions. In a yogic system, there are many practices, but there's a one very effective, very easy practice called Chandra Bhedi Pranayama, and that is the reason the name is Chandra Bhedi. Bhedan means penetration, piercing. Chandra, moon, means activation of moon. It means activation of these negative ions which are working for self-healing. I want to tell you one more very important and very interesting fact. Negative ions are responsible for purifying the air. Because these negative ions in a big amount in a mountain, near the lake, near the running water, near the nature, that's why the air quality is pure there. And these negative ions are less and less in cities. City is overcrowded. These negative ions are less, and that's the reason air quality is impure. The interesting fact is that if you breathe, if you are activated with the left nostril, if you have this charged negative ions, so even if the outer air is impure, but if you will breathe in, your body, because it is charged with negative ion, can start purifying the air. Your left nostril becomes a filter to purify the air as well. It is like a natural energy filter. Your respiratory system feel like a reset. This is how this left nostril breathing helps you deeply. And this is where yogic principles, yogic science meet the modern science. The result is natural detox your body, mind and soul. Increased negative ions by the practice of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama also heal from chronic diseases. Chronic diseases are basically autoimmune disorders, and autoimmune disorders often rooted in oxidative stress, inflammation and poor cellular communication. Negative ions reduces oxidative stress. It enhances cellular repair. Communication between the cells becomes better, and that is the reason it can even recover you from the chronic disease. And that's how the left nostril breathing helps here. It's not a magic, this is a biology. This is a yogic biology, yogic wisdom together. So if you never try this, I want you to try at least for 21 days regular basis. The technique is you just sit simply in one cross-leg position. Close your right nostril with right hand thumb. Use only right hand, not the left one, because right hand means thumb controls the sun energy, the fire here. Okay? Left nostril breathing in and out. So now slowly you start inhaling, 1, counting, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 5. Just to make sure that you have a longer breathing. You can count 10 as well if you feel your breath is longer. First inhale left nostril, exhale left nostril only. 10 rounds. You will do this. 2 practices I'll teach you. So first 10 round where you are balancing. So inhale 5, exhale 5. Now after 10 round, 5 rounds you will do inhale 5 and exhale twice, sir. 10 exhalation. Understand? That is 5 times. So 10 rounds, left inhale, left exhale, equal breathing. Then 5 rounds, left inhale, left exhale, exhale is longer, twice. That is one practice. Another practice is left inhale, equal count, right exhale. So 5 inhale, 5 exhale. That is again 10. Now 5 inhale, 10 exhale. That is 5 times. Understand? So 2 practices. These 2 practices you will do every day, every morning. After you take shower, after you clean the bowl. Remember, healing does not always come from outside. It comes from inside. And you must change your pranic system from inside. And we have these all techniques in yoga. Use these techniques, use this power, use this science to heal your body naturally. Once again, join this 21 days pranic purification journey, which can help you deeply and help you to reset your system again and gives you this positivity, positive vibration. Link in description. Join. I'll see you in next video and see you in course. Namaste.